solve x squared equals negative 9. This is in the form that we can go directly to the principle of square roots, and we can say that x equals the square root of negative 9, or x equals the opposite of the square root of negative 9. Now the square root of negative 9 is an imaginary number, and we can simplify this by factoring it as the square root of negative 9, or the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 9. And the square root of negative 1 is I, and the square root of 9 is 3. And we usually write this as 3I. Similarly over here, we can write this as x equals negative, factoring out the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 9. X equals, we have a negative sign, the square root of negative 1 is I, the square root of 9 is 3. And we can write this as negative 3I. So here, the solutions are 3I and negative 3I.